Thank you for checking out our 2016 Adventurer 38Q with only 6,000 miles. This incredible RV has 3 slides and 1 full wall slide. It is 4 seasons ready, comes with a washer and dryer, in mint condition. Ask about no-cost delivery, including out of state. This is not like other guys, it really looks as nice as the photos show. The interior and exterior look brand new. This RV is also in garage kept and beautiful condition. The interior looks new, and the exterior looks new. The paint shines and looks amazing, and it runs great. The major systems have been tested and work great. Look at other ones first, you will see the difference. It's cold outside, so please call ahead so we can turn on the furnace. Also, for winter, we are open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday and available Saturdays only by appointment. Call or text Nate at 801-917-3853 for questions. Some additional things you may want to know about this RV are: this is a 4 seasons winter capable unit. The plumbing is in the heated insulated enclosed underbelly. Ask how you can get a dinette in place of the table included in the deal. Truly still like new with only 6,000 miles. 3 slides and a full wall slide make this RV huge inside. All designs are painted, not decals, so they won't fade or peel. The quality of this RV is amazing. This model of Adventurer is the best quality, nicest gas Class A ever built. Upgraded high-quality slide-out awnings and a huge patio awning. All automatic and in aluminum covers that protect the awning, including an entree door awning. Hydraulic auto leveling system from factory. Side view and rear view camera system. Awesome fireplace that also puts out heat. Solid surface Corian counters and real wood cabinetry. Extra large 4-door refrigerator. King size ideal rest natural reserve digital comfort control mattress. All upholstery and seats are still like new. Washer and dryer. Aluminum Alcoa wheels. Onan generator by Cummins. Solid no leaks curved, not flat, one-piece sealed fiberglass roof that will last decades. On the dash, the GPS 10.4-inch touchscreen lets you easily navigate through features such as CD, DVD player, Sirius XM trademark satellite radio, top-of-the-line big screen TV, DVD, and electronics, outside stereo, and big screen entertainment center. Click on the below link or cut and paste to search and see the brochure. https://www.winnebago.com/files/images/winnebago/brochures/2016/2016 add digital bro.x.pdf. No leaks or soft spots, non-smoking, no pets. Don't miss out on this amazing motorhome. Call or text me, Nate, at 801-917-3853. Ask me about warranty and trade-in values. This RV has been checked over and passed a multi-point inspection and emissions at Larry Miller Super Ford. Don't miss out on this amazing motorhome. Call today at 801-917-1347.